Ghanaian smock or fugu is the most popular traditional attire in Ghana, most especially the north. The smock, also called Batakari, is worn by royals and civilians across all northern regions, but popular across Ghana. The smock originated in the northern region of Ghana, but widely used in West Africa and diasporas across the world. Join us as we take a tour of the Fugu market in Tamale, northern Ghana.
I'm a graduate teacher and I do this business alongside. I sit here to do the work myself. I can do the hand sew and then the machine sew. That's the difference we have. Then we have the sleeveless and then the long sleeves. That's the sleeve. And then we have that of the 3-in-1. That is mostly worn by the chiefs. And also even people who are supposed to do like weddings, who can also put it on in order to grace the occasion. Like the groom can wear the 3-in-1 to grace an occasion. Mostly these are worn basically on festivals, but today fashion has taken over, and you will realize that people wear day in day out just to grace occasions, have meetings, and even go to work, because we have the easy wear that you can easily put on and then you can grace your office with it, and then you will look very smart instead of going by the suit as in the foreign people use. Then we will try and then go by our tradition by wearing the smock. The smock is also very easy to use, in the sense that it doesn't need any time you have to iron before you can put it on. It is very simple and easy to go with, especially when you have a number of them. Then today you want to grace an occasion, there's a need for you to do some ironing in order to put on before you put on your suit and do stuff. You put your smock and then you are good to go. We have the varieties as in different colors to grace different occasions. We have people who can wear the black smock for funerals. You have the white smock when you are happy or you are victorious over something, to grace that. And then we have the red ones too, also for people, our traditional people who are into the dates, like worshiping the dates, also use the red smoke. And then it is also used for some festivals down south. Uh-huh. And this is a product that is used by the Northerners for Damba Festival, for our festival, fire festival, and other festivals that are used by the Northerners. But today, the market has widened up because we don't have to limit the scope within the northern region. It goes beyond the northern region, we cut across Ghana and even in Africa as a whole. Today, we have other people in Africa like South Africa, Kenya, Nigeria also use the smoke on different occasions. In Nigeria, for instance, they call it agbada, as we call it smoke here. And then they also have different patterns of it in order to grace their occasions. The smoke is also used by a lot of people, not only the ordinary people or the northerners. Our politicians, you will see most of them wear the smoke in order to look smart and then to grace other occasions, in order to look fashionable in their field. So these are some of the things that we can have the smoke doing for us. This is a female smoke for a kid of or a child of 8 years. Then we have that of the big ones for an adult. This one, as you can see, it is a combination of a machine stone and a hand sewn. The embroidering is done by a machine. The down part is sewn by a machine, but you see the upper part of it is done by the hand in order to beautify it. We have some that we can do ordinary without the hand design on it. These are the different types. So we have the long sleeves, as you can see, in different colors. This is an all-weather smock. You can use it for any other occasion. You can use it to grace weddings. You can use it to grace maybe a funeral because it's dark in color. Then we have a brighter one for maybe weddings and churches. Then we have the sleeveless that are the casual wear, as you can see in the middle there. It's a casual wear for both the young and old. You can use it to go to the office. You can use it for luxury, maybe a walk, a stroll. This is more like a singlet for our chiefs. They wear these ones under before you can wear something on top, especially the 3-in-1. Then we have the long sleeves. The long sleeves there, you can see that it is with a sleeve, a short sleeve, that is used to grace other occasions like we have mentioned before. That is it.
Yeah, this one is the ladies one. They normally use this one to wear with jeans. That's the jeans type for ladies. Yeah, and then this one is the knee level type. It's for ladies. That one is almost up to the knee level. So this one is for the ladies. Yeah, and then this one are the men's one. We call this one short hands. Yep. Yeah, those ones are the short hands. And then this one and this ones are the long hands. And then this one too is for men. So that's it. Yeah.
Okay. This is the steps that we use alongside with the smock. In the northern region, it doesn't matter the color. You can wear a smock with a different cap altogether. It doesn't really matter. But down south, they are come to the point that they always want it to match with their smock, and then we always deliver as they want because your customer is the king in the market. So whatever they like is what you do. So this is the cap, and this is how it is sewn. As you can see it, you wear it like this. This is what the chiefs. This is how the chiefs wear them. They leave them at as they stand in order to show that they are the head of whatever grounds they are, wherever grounds they are the head or they are the leaders. They can also put it at their front like this, telling us that they are the what the leaders there, and they can also leave it as I said. But the ordinary man would have to wear it this way, signifying peace. They are into they are followers and they are what peaceful, loving people. They don't want any trouble. You can wear it either by your right or by your what left. That way, it's all the same thing. And then followers of the chief will always have to wear it behind them. If you are a sub chief behind before your main king, you have to wear it like this. But if you are in your own palace, you can wear it like this. It is, for example, if the chief of a particular locality is sitting, he can wear it like this. But if his sub chiefs are coming to the palace, what they will do is to pull it behind them, so that they will signify that their leader is seated and then they are the followers. That they can also wear it like this because they are not of. But if they are of equal level as chiefs, they can all wear them like this and sit together. But you can wear this in front of your leader, not at all. Thank you. To add is very important because uh, my my secondary education till today has been financed by this particular work. I started learning this work when I was at DSS. After I got to know what to do and what not to do about the smoke business, I realized that it can push me far. So my secondary school to the university level, I've attended 2 universities. And this is what I have been doing in order to finance myself throughout these particular periods. The history of smoke is in the fingertips of everybody who is into smokes, really, like from the beginning. You should know what the smoke is all about and how it originated. If you know about this, you would be able to do certain things that is needed as a business person with the smoke. Because if somebody comes and the person has to put pressure for you to do something that is not of his standard, you would advise the person because you know the history behind it. Yeah. Thank you.
Get yourself a fugu next time you visit northern Ghana. If you enjoyed this video, please support the channel by subscribing and share the video with others. Thank you.